What do you think? Is Asana a B2B or B2C tool? Think about it for a moment. We often associate B2C products with consumers like you and me. We use them to buy clothes, order food, or stream movies. On the other hand, B2B products are designed for businesses. Think of tools like accounting software, CRM systems, or project management platforms. So where does Asana fit in? Is it a tool for individuals or businesses? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Asana. Before we can answer that question, we need to understand what Asana is. At its core, Asana is a work management platform. It helps teams of all sizes organize, prioritize, and track their work. It's like a digital workspace where you can create projects, assign tasks, set deadlines, and collaborate with your team members. But is it primarily used by individuals or businesses? The B2B case. Let's start with the B2B argument. There are several compelling reasons why Asana is often considered a B2B tool. Team collaboration. Asana is designed to facilitate collaboration among team members. It provides features like task assignment, comments, and notifications that make it easy for teams to work together efficiently. This is a crucial aspect of any business operation. Project management. Businesses of all sizes need to manage projects effectively. Asana offers tools for creating project timelines, tracking progress, and ensuring that deadlines are met. This helps businesses deliver projects on time and within budget. Task management. Asana's task management features are essential for businesses. It allows teams to break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks, assign responsibilities, and track progress. This helps to improve productivity and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Integration with other business tools. Asana integrates seamlessly with other popular business tools like Slack, Google Calendar, and Dropbox. This makes it easy for businesses to streamline their workflows and avoid data silos. The B2C case. While Asana is primarily used by businesses, there's also a case to be made for its use in B2C contexts. Personal productivity. Individuals can also benefit from using Asana to manage their personal tasks and projects. Whether it's planning a vacation, organizing household chores, or managing freelance work, Asana can help individuals stay organized and productive. Freelancers and solopreneurs. Freelancers and solopreneurs often need tools to manage their work and collaborate with clients. Asana can be a valuable tool for this purpose, allowing them to organize their tasks, track project progress, and communicate with clients effectively. Small teams. Even small teams, such as startups or nonprofit organizations, can use Asana to improve their collaboration and productivity. It's a flexible tool that can be adapted to the needs of different team sizes and structures. The verdict. So, is Asana B2B or B2C? The answer is both. While it's primarily used by businesses, it can also be a valuable tool for individuals and small teams. Ultimately, the best way to determine whether Asana is right for you or your business is to try it out and see if it meets your specific needs. Asana offers a free plan that allows you to experiment with the platform and see if it's a good fit. In conclusion, Asana is a versatile work management platform that can be used by both businesses and individuals. Whether you're a team leader, a freelancer, or simply looking to improve your personal productivity, Asana has something to offer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.